This is the original battery that came with Spykee. I'm going to open it up and look at the individual cells. So this is just a single battery, and there's 8 of them total. Okay, so the voltage of one of these batteries, 1.3 volts. So here's a bad cell. This cell is at about 0 volts. So this cell is defective, and it would lower the overall voltage of the entire pack. So I have a little box here. It says NG for no good. I'm going to put the bad cell in there. That's a good voltage. That one is 0 volts. Good voltage. Good voltage, good, and good. So out of all these batteries, out of all these cells, we have 2 that are bad. These 6 cells could be used for something else, and these 2 may be reconditioned. I may try surging them to see if I can recondition them.